Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video I'll show you how to add this custom radio buttons to your Blogger and your WordPress websites. So this is how it works. We can see that we can click on any of these options and we have a specific styling for the selected option. And if I click on this proceed button, I have just added this alert over here. Now you can do anything you want instead of this alert using JavaScript. And if I click on the second option and if I click on proceed, here we can see that the second option is being displayed. So let's add this to our Blogger and our WordPress websites, and I will also leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So let's get started. Alright, here I'm in the dashboard of my Blogger website, and let's add it inside a new post. So let's click on new post, and here for the title I'll just type select a topic. And now the first thing we need to do is click on this button and click on HTML view. Now once you are in the HTML view, you can go ahead and add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code over here. So first of all, let's add the CSS code. So let's create a style tag and let's go to our source code and let's go to the CSS file and let's copy this CSS from here. And I'll just copy from this line of code because we don't want to have the styles added to the body. So let's copy from this line of code till the end. And let's go ahead and paste it over here. And now let's add the HTML. So let's go back to our source code and let's go to the HTML file. And let's copy this HTML from here, from this line of code till here. And let's paste it over here. And lastly, we need to add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag for that. And let's go back to our source code and let's go to the main.js file. And let's copy this JavaScript from here and let's paste it over here. Now if you go back to the HTML file, here we can see that we have this code over here, and these are the options. So you can go ahead and change anything you want. So here we have the label. This is the heading that you see over here, and this is the subheading. And you can add anything you want. You can add images or list or anything you want over here. And here we are adding this custom icon for the radio buttons using CSS. So in this way you can go ahead and create any number of options. So if I just copy this and paste it down here. Now here we can see we have 3 options. So in this way you can add any number of options you want. And here we have the proceed button. You can change the text to whatever you want. And once you have gone ahead and made the changes, you can go ahead and publish this post. So let's click on publish and confirm. And here we can see our post has been published. So let's click on view. And here we have our options. So let's click on one of these options and let's click on proceed. And here we have the selected option displayed in the alert. Let's select the first one and let's click on proceed. And here we have the first option displayed. Now let's also change the color of this text to black. So let's go back and let's open the post. And here in this CSS, I'll just change the color to black and let's update. And let's go back to our post and let's refresh this page. And now we can see we have the correct colors. So everything is working alright. So that's basically how you can add custom radio buttons to your Blogger website. Alright, now let's see how to add this to our WordPress website. Alright, here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website, and for running this locally, I'm using this software called Local by Flywheel. So you can just go ahead and download it and just create a new site, and then just go ahead and click on WP admin and log in with your username and password. Alright, now let's create a new post. So let's go over here to posts and let's click on add new. And for the title, I'll just type select a topic. And here you can add any block you want, and whenever you want to add the radio buttons, you can just click on this plus icon and just search for custom HTML and then just select it, and here you can add your code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. So let's create a style tag and let's go back to our source code and let's go to the style or CSS file and let's copy this CSS and let's paste it over here. And now let's add the HTML. So let's go back to the index.html file and let's copy this div inside the body and let's paste it over here. And lastly, we need to add the JavaScript. So let's create a script tag over here. And in the script tag, we will add the JavaScript. So let's go back to our main.js file. Let's copy this JavaScript from here and let's paste it over here. And just like we did in the Blogger website, you can go ahead and make changes to your code. And once you've done everything, you can just go ahead and click on publish and publish again. And now we can see that our post has been published. So let's click on view post. Now here we can see that our radio buttons are being displayed, and it is working alright, but the font size is too large. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's right click over here and let's go to inspect, and let's see what's the problem. So here we have this H2, and now here if we scroll down, here we have some styles already added by the theme for the H2. So we need to add specific styling to the H2. So let's go back to our original design and let's see what is the font size. So if you right click over here and go to inspect, here we haven't added any font size, but if you go to computed and here if you take a look at the font size, it is set to 24 pixels. So let's go ahead and add the font size to 24 pixels. So here if I just change the font size to 24 pixels, now we can see everything looks alright. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go back to our post and let's go to the CSS. And here we have the H2. So here I'll just type font size and let's set it to 24 pixels and let's click on update. And let's go back to our post and let's refresh this page. And now we can see everything looks alright, and that's basically how you can add custom radio buttons to your WordPress website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, and I will also leave the link of the design video in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.